guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I wanted to share my thoughts and my personal review on the Simplehuman Sensor Mirror. So let's just go ahead and jump on in with my thoughts on the mirror. So I recently purchased the Simplehuman Sensor Mirror, and this mirror is amazing. It's such a game changer. But let's just go ahead and talk about what you get when you purchase the mirror. So when you purchase the mirror, you get the little adapter that goes into the wall to charge it, and then you get the USB cord as well. There's also a touch control brightness on the mirror, which is right here on the side. So the really cool thing with this mirror is that as soon as the mirror detects you, the mirror turns on. The main reason why I love this mirror is because of the magnification, I think that's a word, of the mirror. It has a magnet on there of like it's 5 times magnified, which is so incredible because, girlfriend, when I tell you, I saw pores and blackheads on my face that I didn't even know that I had until I looked into this mirror. It is just crazy. I swear, if you try to look up your nose, you can probably see your brain with this mirror. It is crazy. It is so good. You can flawlessly apply your makeup with this mirror. Or not just that, if you want to, tweeze your eyebrows or anything, you can do it all with this mirror and this bright light. It is just, like I said, a game changer. So I don't know if you guys know or not, but I also have the Impressions vanity mirror. I did a review on that mirror, so I can link it for you, so you can check out that review as well. But the reason why I decided to go ahead and purchase this Simplehuman mirror is because I do my makeup in the bathroom, and the Impressions vanity mirror just took up a lot of space. So I wanted to go ahead and get this one, and I personally like this one better than the Impressions vanity one, simply because if I bought the mirror to do my makeup, and because of the magnification that this mirror has, like I can do my makeup, I feel like so much more flawlessly than I can with the other one. The other one is a nice mirror, but based on the two, if I were to compare the two side by side and looking at just the quality of the mirror, this one just takes the cake for me. The other mirror is not bad. If you want a mirror that you can take phone calls with, or it's Bluetooth compatible, you can listen to music on there, you can even charge your phone on there, then check out the Impressions vanity one. But if you don't care about all of that stuff, then I would highly recommend that you check out the Simple mirror. I know that you can get it at Bed Bath & Beyond, and they have it on display because that's where I saw it for the first time. Just go check it out and see for yourself how great this mirror is. I got my mirror from Nordstrom. I love Nordstrom, and I wanted to purchase my mirror on a website where I knew that I would not have any trouble returning it just because of how expensive it is. So that's why I decided to go with Nordstrom. And I also decided to get the white mirror. The mirror does come in 4 different colors. It comes in white, pink, rose gold, and stainless steel. So to me, the white one just looked the cutest, and I'm really happy with the white one. I absolutely love it. So another cool thing about this mirror also is that it is cordless. It's cordless and rechargeable. Obviously, that's why they give you the USB and the adapter. So it has like this little ring light here at the bottom, and that is basically your battery indicator. So if you turn this on and it starts to blink in red, that lets you know that, homegirl, you need to charge it and juice it up. Now if you one day approach the mirror and the mirror isn't turning on at all, and the light at the bottom just stays a solid red, it's completely dead and you need to charge it. And then while you're charging it, it's going to blink green, and once it's fully charged, it is going to stay a solid green. So yes, that is that's how the charging process goes with this. So yeah, you guys, all in all, it's a really great mirror. I highly recommend it. I personally love it. I've had it now for about a week. I have had 0 complaints with it. I cannot find a single thing about this mirror that I do not love. So with that being said, this mirror gets 2 thumbs up for me. So yeah, you guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this review. I hope that you find it helpful, and yeah, go check out this mirror. I promise you won't regret it, and neither will your makeup. So yeah, you guys, that is it for today's video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And that is it, you guys. I'll see you in another video. No. That is it, you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.